Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss another topic. That's name is the making of Germany and Italy, and in which we will discuss the one topic, would Germany, or you can say, can the army be architect of a nation of the Germany? So here you found that Germany, can the army be the architect of a nation, or you can say the unified of the Germany? So guys, here we are discussing about the topic of the making of Germany and Italy, and in which we will discuss only one topic, that is Germany, how it has been unified, and who have architect, or you can say the who have established the Germany, or you can say the German unification. So yes, so the question was that can the army be the architect of a nation? So the answer is yes. Yes, the army be the architect of a nation of the German. So the architect of German unification was Otto von Bismarck, who used army to build the infrastructures. So the whole of the Germany has been established or built by the army, who was led by the Otto von Bismarck, and who was the architect of the nation during the period. So who have built overall the infrastructure of the German unification. So explanation: before unification, the German nation was considered as the confederation of the state. So we found that before the German unification, we found that it was the confederation of the states. After parliament failed, Otto von Bismarck used bureaucracy and army to continue the process of the unification. So simply you should be understand that what does the exact meaning of the bureaucracy, or you can say the bureaucratic system of the government. It is the office, system of the government, or you can say rule by the office. There were some officer, or you can say that Otto von Bismarck, who was the bureaucrat, and who were the architect of the German unification, and it is only because of the bureaucracy, or you can say bureaucratic system of the government at the time. So German won the 3 wars against France in 7 years, and also complete the process of the unification. So simply here we found that who were it is a small topic in which we have discussed briefly, or you can say discuss properly, that the making of Germany, can the army be the architect of a nation? So here we found yes, the architect of Germany unification was the army, or you can say the whole of the Germany had been established or built, all the structures of the Germany through the leader, or you can say through the bureaucrat of that's name was Otto von Bismarck, and who have continued the process of the unification, or you can say process of the one nation. It is only because of the good deals, or the good bureaucratic system of the Otto von Bismarck. So guys, we have discussed this topic briefly. I hope that you have understand this topic properly. In the end, I heartily request to please share these videos and subscribe this channel. That's why, because in future I will make like such videos for you. That's why, because through which you will get your exposure and way to success. Thank you very much.